What number is that?
5.
Can you sing Five Little Ducks?
5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. Lonely, sweet little duck came back. Sweet little duck, poor little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. Lonely, lonely the duck came back. Number 5.
Spell 5.
F-I-V-E-I.
Louder.
5.
Spell 5. Louder. Yej. Come on.
See? It's a number 5.
Yes. Spell 5. What color is the number 5?
Yellow. See? It's a number 5. Here, Bobby. See? It's a yellow green number 5.
What color is that?
Yellow green.
Where is your yellow green? That's not yellow green. Look. This is yellow. This is yellow green. Okay? Yellow green. Letter R is yellow green. Well, number 5 is yellow. Okay?
It's not the yellow green. It's color green.
Okay.
It's a color green.
Okay.
It's a color green.
Color green. Letter R. Number 5 is yellow. Come on, you sing.
51.
5 little monkeys.
51.
51. Very good. Oh.
52.
Very good.
52.
Very good.
52. 52.
Very good.
52.
Oh, this one.
53. 53.
Like that. Okay. How about this one? There.
54. 55.
Very good.
56.
6 by 1. Let me see. Let me see. What number is that? Oh. Here, Yej. Oh. Here are the numbers. What number is that? You put it beside the number 8. Put it beside the number 8. Oh, what number is that?
58.
Very good.
That is 6. That is 6. We did it.
Huh?
That is 6.
There is 6. Oh, you put the number 5 beside the number 6. What number is that?
56.
Very good. How about this one? What number is this?
57.
Very good. How about there? Oh, you put the number 5 beside this one. What number is that?
Number, look, it's a number 5.
Yes. You put it beside the number 5. Come on. Put it beside. Here. Uh-oh. What number is that?
55.
How about here? Yejo, what number is this?
0.
0. You put the 5 beside the number 0. What number is that?
50.
Very good. job. Yeah, yes. Go down, go down, go down. Go down, go down, go down.
5. 5. 5.